Hello, hello teacher. Hello teacher. Hello teacher.
Wait.
Đừng nói tiếng Anh. Đừng nói. Mẹ ngồi đây mẹ nhìn em phải rồi. Cho mẹ khỏi coi YouTube luôn. Hello teacher. My name is Annie. I am 6 years old. No, I'm 8 years. Hello teacher. My name is Annie. I am 8 years old and I have mother,
Hello,
father,
hello.
and me. Hello. Hello
Can you
teacher.
hear? Yes, can you hear me well?
Yes,
Oh, very good. Okay, how are you today, Amy?
I'm happy.
Wow, that's great. Okay. Anyway, sorry to keep you waiting. How's the weather in your place? Is it raining?
Yes,
Is it raining so hard?
very, very.
Is it raining so hard? Oh, I cannot hear you well, Amy. Actually, your
It's
signal is unstable. I can see it here in Zoom.
raining.
Is it raining in your place? Is it raining in your place, Amy? Yes? Oh, I cannot hear
Yeah.
you well, Amy.
Mẹ không nghe em. Mẹ,
Oh, please try to join again.
con không nghe em.
Hello, teacher. Yeah, turn off your microphone.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me well, ma'am?
Yes.
Kỹ cái gì
Oh,
vậy?
yes. It's okay now. Oh,
Đâu có
anyway,
làm
Amy,
gì
how's
đâu
the weather
kỹ.
in your place?
It's not raining, but I don't know.
It's not rainy. Well, that's great because it's not raining. Here in my place, the rain finally stopped. However, it's very windy. Like there's no storm and typhoon anymore, but it's still windy. Anyway, for tonight, our topic is all about a very cold day. Is it cold today, Amy?
Đâu, đâu,
Is it cold there? Yes or no?
đâu. Oh no, why I have to study this?
Why? Are we done with it? I think we didn't finish
Yes,
this one yet. Really? Okay.
we're done.
Since we're done with that one, then let's move on with Unit 10. Okay, are you ready to move on with Unit 10?
Listen.
Unit 10 is all about drop it.
Yes,
Okay, so this time
drop
I
it.
will let you watch a video, Amy. Do you want to watch the video?
Yes,
All right. So yes, I
right.
hope that your internet is stable enough so that you will clearly understand the video. Here it is, Amy.
As soon as he leaves his hand, you go crazy. It's Calgary.
Wow.
Mình say mà. Teacher, can you
Fantastic stuff.
fix the picture is
Wait a minute.
okay.
Like this? Okay, here it is, Amy.
Yes.
As soon as he leaves his hand, you go crazy, Calgary.
But it's not the song.
Can you see now?
Yes.
Fantastic stuff. Big power presented by Mayfair Diagnostics. What a show. Frisbee, Rob, and Sailor. Oh,
All right. So that's the video all about. So what did you see from the video, Amy?
Welcome to Pink Power at McMahon Stadium, presented by
The dog.
Mayfair.
What did you see? Very good. What was the dog doing?
The dog is like three things. I don't
The
know
dog was running so fast. Why did the dog run so fast?
because it's a people, but people is looking at the dog. The dog is it don't want to, but the dog is have to.
Yes, the dog is actually catching the disc because that was a game. All right. So does the dog run so fast in that video, Amy?
No, it's not that away.
Really? It wasn't fast?
Yes, it's not fast.
It was so fast. Can you run like that?
No, but I see the dog. The picture. I don't see the dog is still like. I don't see the picture, and I don't
Ah,
know.
all right. So you believe in the motto to see is to believe. Anyway, the story for tonight is all about drop it. I want you to look at the picture in here, Amy. What can you see?
I can see a dog and a old woman.
That's right. Who is this old woman?
This is a man of the dog.
This is grandma. So an old woman is grandma. I want you to look at grandma. How does she feel?
Angry
Why is she angry?
because the dog is not is yeah is not mày quậy cái người gì because the dog is not sitting at a one shot.
Oh, what's that? Because the dog
Is is I don't know.
oh, because the dog is biting grandma's sweater. Yes. All right. So look at this dog. Is it a good dog or a bad dog?
I think it's good and bad too. Huh.
Why? Why do you say that this dog is good?
Good and bad too.
Yes. Okay. I want you to tell me why do you think that this dog is good?
Because I think that because the grandma is a man of the dog. And I think
Okay. So when grandma is mad, then that means the dog is not behaving good. It is behaving badly. Okay. But this dog is also good because he's probably listening to grandma when grandma says, drop it. Okay. Now, let's look at the pictures in here, Amy. What is this?
he's dog
It's a doll. Very good. How about this one?
like this. The dog is
It's
like
a,
this, right?
of course, the
Hamburger.
dog likes it so much, just like you do.
This
What about this?
this dog. This
Mm,
here. The oh wait. This this is a called doll sound, right? Look, wait. The
What is that, Amy?
Oh, this is a doll sound, right? DLLO, right?
Yes,
Hmm.
that's the spelling of the doll. Very good,
Yeah.
Amy. Yes, of course. Then I'll give you 2 stars for getting the right spelling of the doll. Okay, now what about this one? What's this? This is what we use
Key,
to open the door. What?
key,
Key, nice. How about this one?
snippers,
Very
right?
good. This one?
Leaf
It's leaf. Very good. What happened to the leaf?
is going.
It's falling. Nice. Now, what about this one?
Paper.
Paper. Wow, very good. So it's so easy for you. Okay, then this story is very easy because
Tutor.
you already know the words in here. Yes?
Tutor. Tutor. Tutor.
What is
Copy.
tuda? Ah, yes, 2 star. Very good. Okay, now I want you to look and
Like
read.
this. Okay, I can read that the neighborhoods, right?
Okay,
Um,
so look at this dog. Its name is Gus. All right, what is the name of this dog?
the
What's the name of the dog? It's Gus. Very good. So what's Gus doing here?
the cause if is biting rampash snippers.
That's right. Okay. So where is Gus in the picture?
Um, on the bed
Very good. Why do you say that this is a bedroom?
because I see a bed.
That's right. What
This
do we do
a bed.
in this bedroom?
We can sleep, we can play, and we can study.
Wow, all in one. Can we also eat in the bedroom?
Yes, I am. My sister is like
Yeah. Yes, we can also eat in the bedroom if you don't want to share with other people. So you eat in a secret place that no one can see you, which is your bedroom. Yeah, but of course, a bedroom is a place where we can sleep and relax. Okay, so
yes.
Amy, I want you to look at Gus. Is he behaving badly?
What?
Is he behaving badly?
Mm, yeah.
Very good. Okay, what do you think will happen to the slipper if Gus won't let it go?
I think study and grandma is it have to write.
That's right. The slipper will become very dirty. It has many saliva on it, and probably it's gonna be destroyed. Because, of course, the dog's teeth are so sharp. Yes. Does your dog also bite your slipper?
No, because my dog is very cute.
What?
Because no, because my dog is very cute. My dog is like it's white. It's white skin. But but
Actually,
she's cool. But the skin of she's like this.
oh, really? Actually, it
Okay,
has nothing to do with
and
the dog's fur.
so
Yeah?
and she's white and she's wearing t-shirt is pink and the skirt is pink because she's very small and she's very cute and I like it.
Yes, I can actually imagine how cute and beautiful is your dog, Amy. Thank you for sharing
Do
that
you
one.
have a dog?
Actually, of Oh, actually I used to have a dog, but just a month ago my dog died.
Your dog is die?
Yeah, it died just a month ago.
Why?
I don't know. Oh, actually, he went outside because my dog is usually just inside our house or sometimes just in our garden. So when the gate was opened because my dad was going out with his car, so our dog came out from the gate and there were many street dogs who fought with him. And my dog got bruises. My dog couldn't walk anymore. And yeah, I think that was the reason why he died because he got so weak from fighting with many street dogs. Yes, and my dog is also old. My dog is, I think, 11 years old already.
And my
Yeah.
dog is 2 years old.
Yes, it's still a baby. So it still has a very long years, Amy, to be with you. So take good care of your dog. Okay, so actually, Amy, the dog skin, this one is what we call fur.
For what
Can you
for?
still remember? Fur, the hair of the dog.
For
Yes, that's called fur. Okay, so underneath the fur, then that is what we call the dog skin. And it actually, the color of the dog's fur has nothing to do with their behavior. Because I believe that the dog's behavior will depend to how we discipline it or how you train it when that dog was still a baby.
yeah.
Yeah, do you train your dog, Amy?
What trend? I don't know trend is.
Train. Okay, when your dog was still a baby, you tell him, oh, what's the name of your dog, Amy?
What?
What's the name of your
My
dog?
strawberry. Yeah,
Strawberry. All right. So you say, strawberry, sit.
strawberry.
Then strawberry will sit. Strawberry, come. Get the ball. Then strawberry will actually follow you. So that is actually training. Strawberry, I want you to give me a high five. Then strawberry will give you a high five. Strawberry, I want you to wag your tail. Then strawberry will wag its tail. Like that. That is actually those are just examples of training a dog. Do you train your dog?
Yeah, my dog is like this. I I remember my week. I don't study you. I say my dog is sit there and
Oh my
and
God.
and he stand
Okay.
up and he
Yeah.
and I say my dog is square
Yeah.
and like that.
Oh wow. Whenever that you talk to your dog, what language do you use? Do you use in English or just in Vietnamese, Amy?
Vietnamese.
Vietnamese. Very good. Okay, so yes, keep training your dog so that your dog won't bite your slippers, just like Gus. Oh my God, look at Gus. So bad. Look,
Okay,
I want you to
stop
look and read.
stop the keys food.
I want you to say Gus, Gus. Drop the keys, Gus.
Stop the keys gas.
Very good. I want
Cool.
you to look at the dog. What can you see in its mouth?
Okay. Key
Yes, how many keys are there?
3.
Very good. So grandma is so mad already. What will happen to the keys if Gus won't let it go, Amy?
It's very dirty and grandma is not Yuki and grandma is not going to the car or anything.
That's right. Very good, Amy. So, of course, if the dog is playing with the key, then that means the keys has a higher chance of going missing. So we won't be able to look for it. Yeah. So if only we have a spare key, when we say spare key, Amy, means an extra key that we don't use every day. In case that one key will be missing because the dog is playing with it, we have an extra key. That way, we can still drive the car, we can still open the door, we can still open our bedroom to go to sleep.
Oh,
Yes. So, Amy, do you have a key on your own?
yes.
Oh, wow. What's the key for? Is that for your bedroom? Is that for
It's
your
no,
cupboard?
teacher.
Yeah?
I have a car, but the car is but the car is small. It's small like me, and
Oh,
the
it's a
car
toy
is
car, right?
yes, it's a tall car. But 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 I try a bit too.
Wow, that's nice. What color is your car, Amy?
Teacher, wait, but it's a tall
Okay.
car, but but it's big like me.
Yes, I know. Then it looks like a real car because you can actually drive it, right?
Yes,
Do you know how to
it's
drive your
pink.
car?
Yes, because it's like a car toy.
Yes, and that is also an automatic car, right? Like this one. I'm going to show you a picture, Amy. Does your car looks like, oh, sorry. Does your car looks like this?
No, it's a it look like a car girl.
Yeah. Oh, like this one?
What? No, huh? They a car baby.
Yes, it's the car of the baby. How does
No,
your car look like, Amy?
the car look like the car of my dad. It's look like car too. It look like a car real.
Really? So it looks real, right?
Yeah, it look like my dad car too.
Oh, very good. Is it also white?
No, but it's pink. Pink.
It's pink. Very good, Amy. So who gave it to you? Was it your mom, your dad, your aunt, your grandparents?
It's on my birthday. Of
Oh,
I 5 years
wow.
old.
Well, oh, and how old are you now? You're 8, right?
Yeah.
So your car is 3 years old now. You're such a keeper, Amy. Do you still ride your car?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Yes, take care of that car. So how did you feel when you opened that car on your 5th birthday?
Happy. I'm very
Of
excited.
course. Yes, very excited and happy, especially that it was a pink car. So that's so nice, Amy. Okay. Wow, look at look at the dog now. I want you to read.
The the
Yes. Okay, so the dog wants to eat the burger. Okay, how would
the
you feel if your dog is like this, Amy? You have a burger on your plate, but you haven't tried it yet, but your dog got it already.
feel like this. Oh,
Are you going to give the rest of the burger to your dog?
I feel like this. And this is my bedroom.
Yes. All right. So yes, this dog is very silly.
Teacher,
Wherever he goes, he will get something. Yeah?
but my dog is doing it now.
What do you mean?
My dog is do like this dog now. My dog is very
Really?
sweet.
Okay. So, what did your dog get?
I thought he and and I don't angry or I fire. But my dog is eat my hamburger and I and I it's like that.
Wow. So
Because
you're
my dog is
very,
cute.
yes, because you're very generous and you love your dog, Amy. Okay, so Amy, whenever that the dog gets the burger just like Gus, how do you think does the dog feel?
Happy.
Happy and hungry. This dog wants to eat the burger because, of course, this dog is hungry. Just like your dog. When your dog got your burger, then that means he was hungry too. So, same thing with us. If we are hungry, so we need food to eat, Amy. Yeah. Amy, do you eat with your dog?
What?
Or do you allow your dog to get your food, Amy?
No.
No, we shouldn't allow that one because, of course, to avoid accidents, the dog might accidentally
But
bite
my
you.
dog is my girl. My dog is girl. And what
Mm.
about your dog? Your dog is girl or boy?
Oh, my dog was a boy.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. I'm not sure if I still have a picture of my dog. Let me see. I think I have it before. Oh, I don't have a picture of my dog anymore. I think it's in my other phone, Amy. But I'm gonna show you a picture from Google that my dogs look like. This is actually what my dogs look like. It's brown and very cute. Like this one, Amy. Yeah, this is how my
Ah,
dog looks like. But he died already.
he died
Yeah.
from he what year old? He died from
He
he 10
died
years
at
old,
the
right?
age of 11 years old. Yeah. My dog was already 11 years old and he died from fighting with other street dogs. So that is why, Amy, don't
He,
allow your dog to go outside on its own, especially if there
teacher,
are many street
but
dogs. Yeah?
but your dog is die and you is sad or crying.
Of course. Yeah. Of course, I cried and I was so sad for many weeks because my dog died. So you know what, Amy? Yeah, because my dog is actually not a guard dog. It was a pet
Teacher,
and he was very friendly. Everyone can actually pet him. Even if my dog doesn't know
teacher,
you, you can actually touch my dog and my dog won't bite or bark at you. He just wants to play with you. So when the street dogs fight with him, so he doesn't know how to fight back. So he got weak, he was ill, he got a broken leg, and he got so many bruises that led him not to eat anymore because he didn't have appetite. And that's when he died, Amy.
teacher. But
Yeah,
he died from you what year old? He died from you
11.
what
11.
11? No, you is not he.
Just this year, at
You.
the age of 25. Just this year.
Yes,
It happened
he
last
he
October.
died from he died from you 28 years old, right?
Oh,
Right?
I am 25 years old, and my dog died when I am still 25 years old, and my dog was 11 years old.
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Oh, no.
Yeah. Anyway, Amy, it's already time. So we'll continue to talk about dogs on Friday. So see you next time, Amy. Bye bye.
And bye bye.